कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
ऑलिव्ह रिडले कासवांच्या आगोंद आणि मोरजे दर्यादेगेर आशिल्ले तांतयां घालपाच्या सुवातांक संरक्षण दिवपा खातीर गोंय दर्यादेग वेवस्थापन प्राधिकरणान अधिसुचोवणी काडल्या. ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगमान हे विशीं म्हायती दिली. आगोंद दर्यादेगेवेल्या कासव संरक्षीत वाठारांतली वट्ट 67 बेकायदेशीर आस्थापनां मोडून उडोवपाचो आदेश उच्च न्यायालयान जिल्लोधिकाऱ्याक दिल्लो. ते उपरांत आतां गोंय दर्यादेग वेवस्थापन प्राधिकरणान कासवांच्या तांतयां घालपाच्या सुवातांक संरक्षण दिवपा खातीर ही अधिसुचोवणी काडल्या.
There were 4 applications filed in the court stating that they have permission from all the authorities. Some people have obtained subsequent permission. These permissions were never produced before the CRZ authority. After the sealing, they came to the High Court and said that they have permissions. They produced all the permissions on record. On the basis of those permissions, the court has said that these structures can be desealed and they can be allowed to function. As far as the rest of the persons who have been issued show cause notices, at my request, the court has said that the CRZ authority will look into their matter, provided they come before the CRZ authority, produce their documents, produce their permission, and based on that, the CRZ authority will pass further orders. These 4 structures will be allowed to conduct business because they have produced permissions which they have obtained from the CRZ authority. They have obtained permission from the tourism department. They have permission from the fire services. They have permission from the pollution control board. That was produced. Of course, some of them have obtained this permission subsequently, but now that they have all the permissions in place, they are allowed to continue their operations. The next date of hearing is after 4 weeks because the CRZ authority is supposed to complete all the proceedings pursuant to the show cause notices which are issued to the parties. Many of the parties have not filed replies, so possibly they will have to be filed by those parties, and based on that, the CRZ authority will decide the matter. Turtle nesting site planning, that plan was supposed to be finalized. Draft notification was already issued. Yesterday, the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has issued a final notification for protecting and preserving these sites that is available on the site of the CRZ authority. People can have a look at it and do the needful. It is regarding protection of the turtle nesting sites in Goa, and it is concerning Morje as well as Agonda.